If you look at this card, you can see a person lying on a stone platform as if he is resting. His hands are placed together in a prayer position, which makes it look like he is taking rest or sleeping. This person shows a stage in life where the body and mind are taking a break after going through stress or difficulty. Above him, you can see three swords placed on the wall. These swords represent the stress, thoughts, or challenges that have already been faced. Below, along the platform, you can see one sword placed separately. This sword represents the present situation, which is now at rest or on hold. In the background, there is a stained glass window, showing one person supporting another. This shows healing, guidance, or support during a difficult time. The overall feeling of this card is calm, quiet, and a moment of rest. It reminds you to take a pause after a stressful situation where the body needs rest and recovery. So, this card is about taking a break, allowing yourself to recover, and preparing to move forward again. This is the Four of Swords card. Yes or no? If this card comes, the answer is not now or a delay. It shows that the situation needs time before moving forward. If the card comes reversed, the answer is yes, but after a delay or recovery. Career studies business. It shows this is not the right time to make big decisions. If someone is thinking about choosing a course or changing a job, they should not rush it now because the mind may not be clear. It is better to pause, think properly, and then decide. If they are already working, things may feel slow or tiring, but they should not quit suddenly. If someone is jobless, it shows delay, but this time can be used to prepare. If the card comes reversed, then things start moving again and decisions can be taken slowly. Love. If this card comes upright, if someone is in a relationship or marriage, it shows a quiet phase. There may be less communication or emotional distance, but it is more about needing space than conflict. They should not force the situation. If there is a breakup, it shows that immediate reconciliation is not likely and both people need time. If the card comes reversed, communication may start again and there is a chance of reconnecting slowly. Health. If this card comes upright, if a person is unwell, it shows recovery, but only with proper rest and care. If someone is healthy, it is a warning not to overwork or ignore rest. If something is newly detected, it shows that it can be managed, but attention and recovery time are needed. If the card comes reversed, it shows improvement. But the person should still be careful and not rush the healing. General guidance. This card is not telling you to stop everything, but it is telling you not to force anything right now. Take a step back, allow things to settle, and then move forward with a clear mind. If the card comes reversed, it shows that the pause is ending and you can slowly start taking action again, but in a calm and steady way. So, this card tells you not to rush the situation, but to pause, recover, and move forward when you are ready.